Hi guys, it's me, Miss Mary. Let's get ready to take a trip to um, Atlanta and go on Spirit Airline. Everybody knows that the tickets are cheap, but when it comes to packing, it can be a problem. Miss Mary's got the answer for you. Let me help you out. I've traveled on Spirit uh, more than I care to remember, and I've been able to crack the code on packing. First of all, I'm going to show you what I'm going to take on my trip. I'm going for 3 days. One outfit I will be wearing, so I have that outfit on, so that count as one day. The one of my little tricks to traveling too is whatever I wear there, I wear back. There's no shame in my game because I'm not worried if the people saw me with that outfit on and see me coming back. So whatever I wear to the airport, I usually wear back. One of my videos, you can see me showing you what I have on when I go to the airport if you want to go back and check that out. But let me show you. If you're going to travel Spirit, this is not a carry-on. You will pay upwards of $100. This is a carry-on on Delta, but it's not a carry-on on Spirit. So let's get this straight. So just get that out the way. This is a carry-on, and I just got this the last time when I went to the rodeo. My daughter gave me this for Spirit. This does qualify as a Spirit carry-on. It's not very big though. It looks big, but there's not a lot of room in there. So this does classify as a carry-on for Spirit. Now, before my daughter gave me this one, this is what I was traveling with and what I always do. Usually when I go, I'm going for 3 days, and this is usually what I carry. I am so blessed and thankful that she gave me this with wheels because this gets to be pretty heavy, but I've never ever gotten stopped with this. To be truthful with you, now that my daughter knows that I come quite often, we're starting to leave the clothes there. I'm starting to build up a wardrobe. Like this last time I bought some tennis shoes. If it's a place that you go quite often to visit friends, start leaving some clothes there. Take some extra things or go by the store. We went by the store, I bought me some tennis shoes, go buy you a pack of underwear, go buy you some leggings or something. Go to Walmart, go buy some inexpensive things, and that way you'll have some stuff there. But normally it's like a 3-day turnaround for me. So let me show you what I'm going to take. And this I just did, so I'm not making this up. So when I went to the rodeo, what did Miss Mary tell you? I had boots. So we're going to pack these boots in that bag. We're taking boots, and the other shoes I will have on my feet. So that gives me 2 pair of shoes, right? All right. These were my jeans that I took because I went to the rodeo. We're packing these. Okay, don't forget, 3 days I got one outfit. And I'm going to take another pair of jeans. So you lay them down and you do them the opposite. Whatever, you lay them the opposite way. Okay? All right. I'm going to take a summer dress because it's hot and I want to look cute. I usually keep it inside out. I'm going to take the summer dress. All right? Long. That way, if we go out to dinner, Miss Mary can look nice. Along with that, I want to take this blue jean jacket. But what is Miss Mary going to do? If I can't get that in my luggage, I'm going to wear it because it's heavy. I'm going to wear it. Just wear the blue jean jacket, tie it around your waist, whatever it takes for you to get it on there. Sometimes I'll just take it if I've already got a cardigan on, I'll just drape it across my arm. They've never stopped me from carrying whatever I have on my arm. Okay? So then, Miss Mary loves her moo-moos because sometimes when I get out the shower, or sometimes I just want to relax when I come home, and you want to be appropriate in other people's homes, just in case guests or somebody stop by. So I'm going to take that. Then I'm going to take a nightgown. Now, I don't take 2 and 3 pairs of pajamas because, first of all, I'm going to be there for 3 nights. So, and if you're bathing every day and in the evening, one nightie should be enough for you. But if that isn't, think about where you're going. Do they have a washer and dryer? If there's a washer and dryer there, you don't need to take a lot of things. Another thing that I've learned from my daughter, who's done a lot of traveling too, both my girls have traveled a lot, is if you get you a pair of black pants and just get you 2 or 3 tops, okay? Now, another thing I want to show you here, these are my shirts that I'm going to take, okay? I'm packing them, so I'm showing you how I'm going to lay them out here so that I can roll these up and take them. Here's another shirt that I'm going to take to go with my blue jeans to keep me comfortable, okay? Now, I'm going to take one bra, and that's the taupe color because I'm going to wear the black one. So I have 2 bras. I have a taupe color and I have a black. And I have my underwear here, and I'm not going to show that to you, but I have black and I have taupe underwear to go with my bra. Okay, so here we go. Let's get started on how Miss Mary's going to put all this plus my makeup bag plus you always on Spirit have to have room. Leave your keys at home if you don't need them. Take your keys out of your wallet. You don't need them. You're going somewhere. If you got somebody at home that's going to be able to let you in, then you don't need your keys. Start unloading things. Just take your wallet. You got to be able to put your purse inside of your bag. If you can't, they're gonna charge you because it's all about the money for them, right? So make sure you can't walk up there with this across your shoulder and pull it and bring in this bag. They said 1 personal bag per person. They consider this a personal bag. So let's get started and see how Miss Mary's gonna pack all of this stuff into this little duffel. Can she do it? Let's see. All right. I'm gonna start off with my boots. And I am going to put them in. I'm taking the padding out of them. We're going to start off with the boots. And don't forget, I have another pair of shoes that I'm wearing on the plane. Now, another wise thing that I could have done is I could have chosen to wear these boots and then put my sandals in here, which would take up a lot less room. But I really didn't want to wear these boots. You know what I mean? I really didn't want to wear them. So I'm going to pack these boots in here just like this. Well, first of all, before I do that, let me say this. I'm going to put half of my underwear and stuff down in here. There goes one bra. Some other undies is in there. And put some more undies over here. So I usually pack 2 to 3, 2 pair of underwear per day. Because that way when you shower, you can change yourself. All right, here we go. Let's get started. There's nothing in there. It's completely empty. Let's get started and see how Miss Mary's going to pull this off. Okay. Feels like something's in there. I don't know what's in there. Oh, that's to whiten my teeth. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. One boot's going in. I'll put it down that way. Then I'll put the other boot this way. All right, here we go. So this is not going with me. Let's leave that. So how you do this is you go like this, then you come back like this. Then you go like this, then you come back like this. Okay? This is how you pack it. It's not the rolling method. It's this method here. It makes it like a sandwich. Like that. Then you're going to go here. Then you're going to bring that back over here. Okay? Then I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to bring it back over here. Then I'm going to go here. Then I'm going to bring it back over here. So here we go. What did I have? I had 2 pair of pants, a muumuu, a dress, 2 shirts in here. Okay, let's get it in. Turn it and put it in here. Because remember, I said I'm going to be there for 3 days. I had 2 pair of jeans. I had 2 tops. I had a nightgown. I had a muumuu. I have underwear. I have a bra. I have all my makeup. I don't take any of my like toiletries because it's my daughter and she has all that stuff. So if you have to take that, you got to make allowance for that. But I don't have to take that. Now, because of the way I packed here, remember I told you I was going to wear the blue jean jacket, but it looks like I have enough room that I can take it with me. So let's just see, will this work? But don't forget now, I still have to get this in there. So you can wear the same things, especially like I say, if you're going to a place, a family house, and they've got a washer and dryer, just get your color, like some black pants and tops, and just get you 2 or 3 tops, okay? So here we go. Miss Mary got the makeup kit in there, and we're zipping it up. Look at that. Okay, so let's go here. This cannot be on my shoulder. Let's see, how can I get this down in here? Because they're going to flag me. Now, it really doesn't matter if it's closed or not. Don't sweat it if you can't close it. They're not going to flag you for that. She's just going to simply say, you need to put that in your bag. Oh, okay. See how she's going to tell me. And my bag is pretty tight. She's going to say, you need to put that in your bag. And there we go. We're headed to the rodeo. And we got everything that we need. We've got my makeup, toothbrush, and those types of things, and deodorant. I usually use my daughter's. If you're going someplace, or sometimes instead of paying $100, you could take $20, maybe $15 and buy those things. Or maybe wherever you're going, they might have, because we're pretty much, all of us use somewhat similar things, so it's not a problem. But another trick that I want to tell you is, when you go to Walmart, look at those little sample bottles, and you can, like, if there's some special face cream that you use and you can't just use anything, pump a little bit of that, put it inside that little cream bottle. Find you some little empty jars and put little samples in there. If you're just going for 3 days, you'd be surprised. The deodorant that we make, you don't need a lot of it, just a little bit in a little sample thing, and there you go, guys. That's how you travel on Spirit without paying them for a checked bag, and without being embarrassed, and without getting called out. Ma'am, that bag won't work. Yes, it will. And that's how I travel. Miss Mary's got her boots and everything that she needs. Hey, let's go, cowboys and girls. Bye.